Hold your leg lifted. Draw tiny circles in one direction for 8.
闻着好香啊！这里是打疫苗的地方，好多人正在排队。Sure.
For sure, yeah. All right, 1, 2, 3.
Oh, that's quick.
Yeah.
已经打完疫苗了，然后就是要在这里等到差不多20多分钟吧。不是打完疫苗了之后，是不是可以把口罩就取了，就不用了呢？我还戴了2层，现在坐在这里等 Uber。我觉得这个医院的这环境还挺好的，绿树成荫的，又没什么人，真舒服。到家了之后，我的家具也到了，哒。首先把胡萝卜倒进去。这个是刚才搅的那个山药的泥，倒进去。现在再倒鸡蛋，1只鸡蛋。最后一步就是香菜，闻着好香啊！一股山药跟香菜混合在一起的味道。饭好了，这个是山药汤，然后3个奶黄包。Good morning.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Thank you.
It seems pretty warm today, but it's actually quite cold. I went out this morning.
And in addition, connect with your client digital team for any specifics on your clients. And then moving across dimensions, flight, cost, rate, units, etc.
我刚才在冰箱里面翻到了海鲜，1只青椒，红色的小米椒，然后前2天买的这个荞麦面，所以我现在就准备做一个海鲜那个荞麦面。
You always find me here when the world thinks that I've disappeared. You know just where to look. You know just where to look. You have a heart of gold. And I look forward to growing old, 'cause I'll be old with you. Oh, I'll be old with you. The moon waits tonight. The sun waits the day. Yeah, and I'll await the time when I look you in the eyes and say, oh, I'll say,
这个面炒的还是挺辣的，
I do.
因为我里面放了很多小米椒，再加上这种青椒。荞麦面呢，它是比较容易糊，就感觉很容易糊锅的那种，一定要多放一点水，它很吸水，真好吃呀。
Roquet, it was a beef formula. So I mean, isn't that easier just to do it that way? Or I guess you could do it both ways.
No, it doesn't matter.
现在是休息10分钟，我就来泡个茶。这个是兰桂人，这个好像是乌龙茶，它是奶香乌龙。然后这个我已经喝了一点了。这个杯子也是在他们那里买的，最近很喜欢用。因为在成都的话，喝茶就是用盖碗茶嘛，就是像这样的，让我想起了家乡的味道。而且这样它就是保温特别好，就是有点小这个杯子。
For the placement. Again, input.
它收到了一个发来的包裹，里面都是零食。这几个菜就是点的，这个是南瓜饼，然后这个是应该是凉拌猪耳朵，但它好像也不是特别辣的那种。这个是鸡肉吧，然后再加上我自己炒的菜，还有自己做的这个黑米加上白米一起的这个米饭。
Your body as you lift your leg up. The last one, hold your leg lifted, draw tiny circles in one direction for 8, 7, 6, really reach through those toes, 3 more, 2, and 1, reverse the circle and extend back. So you pull the knee out wide and extend it back, just 6 more. Really try to slide the knee forward back at exactly the same height. Working through the outside of our glutes here. Trying to get our heart rate up here. And inhale to squat down, exhale to press up. Remember, there's always the option to lift your heels if you want that extra G. Just breathing naturally here. You can do it. Legs on fire, but we're having a good time. 5, little higher. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Out. Easily come out of that. Into your 3 more. 2 more. On this last one, hold your curl. Lift your left leg off the mat. And let 8, 7, 9. Exhale and exhale. 4 more. 3, 2, and 1. Good job. Rest your head for a moment. Side bend over to your left. Feeling a nice stretch in the right. But like always, with one last big inhale, reaching your arms up. And exhale, lower your hands down to prayer. Thank you so much.
这也太美了！这个叫多伦多音乐公园，人很多，而且最近大家应该在多伦多都知道，那个地方草坪上又被画了圈。Oh my god！ 今年夏天的第1杯 ice coffee。